Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful, amazing, delicious ribeye steak. Okay, and how y'all doing? It's been a minute, but the steak was super easy to make, delicious compound jalapeno butter, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's so simple and very few ingredients. All right, so right here I have a ribeye steak. It's kind of thick, and I had it sitting on my counter for about 30 minutes or so, probably longer. That's like the beginning of how you cook a steak. It needs to be room temp. So I'm going to season it with this Montreal steak seasoning, but you can pretty much use whatever you want to, and you're good to go. If I'm a little, rough around the edges, forgive me. It's been a minute since I've even recorded anything, but let's get into it. So now the steak is properly seasoned. Season the steak. It needs to look like this. Okay, put the seasoning all over the steak. All right, so now we're going to add it to a hot pan, just like this. And so for a nice crust and even cooking, what I like to do is I like to put some pressure on top of the steak. So I put like parchment paper for protection, and then I put like a heavy plate on top that's smaller than a skillet, and it's good to go. So now let's make the jalapeno compound butter. So I'm using pickled jalapeno. It's so good. I love it on sandwiches and everything. It's so good, you guys. And in here I have the pickled jalapenos chopped up with some parsley and some mint. And now I'm going to add it to some butter. But you don't have to use this combo. You can use whatever combo you prefer, but So this is the steak, perfectly evenly colored all over because I put that little weight down. I flipped it. Remember, cook it to how you like it. I only cooked it for maybe 4 to 5 minutes per side because I like it like medium. And this is how it looks. And then I removed it from the pan. So this is how it looks right here, nice and crusty, good to go. Yours might take longer or less time cooking. It's totally up to you. So to my softened butter, I'm going to add the pickled jalapeno, the parsley, and the mint, a little salt, a little pepper, and a little honey. You're good to go. This compound butter is actually really, really good. It's good on chicken. I'm not sure about fish. It probably is good on fish, but I didn't try it on fish yet, so, But I also made this recipe some time ago, maybe a week ago or so, on my social media. So if you already caught it over there, you know the tea. I had to bring it over here because it was a hit over there, period. So this is how it looks. While the steak is still warm, you want to add the butter mixture right on top. You're going to tent it with the parchment paper so that everything can melt together. And this just smells so good, you guys. Like, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. And after that, this is what it looks like. I sliced into it. It's nice and medium. Nice and medium. I like it. And yeah, it's good to go. You like medium rare or blue or fully cooked, just cook it an extra couple minutes or a couple less minutes and you're good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. The steak was juicy, delicious, and I make it all the time, and I hope you guys give it a try. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!